exposed pipes used as an artwork. And Pragya. It's almost like a rainfall. There's so much mist right now here. American pizzas. Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel Decorate with Manas. How are you? Now you must be wondering where am I, because this looks very different from my regular setup. So yes, you're right, I'm not in India, I'm traveling to the US for a week, and today I'm in San Francisco. It's a city that I absolutely love. And I'm here for a work trip, but I thought I'll share some vlogs with you all about what I'm doing in San Francisco. And today I'm very excited because I'm going to the Yosemite National Park. It's a beautiful national park which I will vlog from. But before that, I thought I'll show you my room. This is the Hotel Axiom, and this is the room that I'm staying in. So let me give you a little tour of that. And then after that, my cousin will pick me up and we will head to the Yosemite National Park. This Hotel Axiom has a very industrial vibe. So everything is grey and accents of black, very minimal, very simple style. So if you see, the wall is very simple. They have just put these panels, and the wiring of these pendant lamps is black. It is exposed. The wiring of this entire thing is exposed in black, so that adds a really interesting industrial touch. The scale of these pendants is also huge, which gives it a really nice balance of the simplicity, but yet a little bit of extra accents. The bed is very simple. It has a bed frame which is with a leatherette headboard, very comfortable, and both sides there are these side tables. Simple, clean, minimal. The only decorative artwork is this one. It's a very large art and a very interesting one. If you can see that it has these exposed pipes, and it's a layered artwork. There is this glass, and then in between also there are these layers of glass. If you see, the style is very industrial with these exposed pipes used as an artwork. So interesting. This side is a small wardrobe where you can keep things. This is a safe, a small fridge, and a place to hang your clothes. There's an iron, and there's a iron board also provided to iron the clothes if needed. Ooh, what's this? This is the robe, the hotel robe, which I'm not going to be using. It's very cold. And next to the wardrobe, there is the study table and the TV. And this is the toilet. It's modern, it's neat and clean. Very nice. The shower area is behind a glass panel. Now come with me, let's get out of the hotel lobby and explore the streets of San Francisco. Or should I say the vibrant and colorful streets of San Francisco. The music is so soothing. This cable car turning point was right in front of my hotel lobby. San Francisco is also called the city of hills. If you thought climbing to Vaishno Devi was tough, wait until you walk around San Francisco. The city has over 50 hills. No wonder the locals have calves of steel. In May to June, where I am currently in, the weather is mostly pleasant, but then the weather mood swings like a Bollywood plot. In San Francisco, it can be foggy in the morning, sunny at noon, and freezing by 5 p.m. It's like a Karan Johar movie, full of drama. Now, cable cars are San Francisco's auto rickshaws. These iconic cable cars may look like a tourist trap, but they are actually a national historic landmark. Think of them as a vintage rickshaw, only with a monthly pass. The city is highly walkable. You can cover the entire city by foot and you don't get tired because the weather is just so pleasant. Needless to say that it has a very vibrant, colorful culture throughout the streets of the city. Look at this cute green toilet. Love it. Fun fact, San Francisco has more techies than Bangalore. San Francisco and nearby Silicon Valley are home to Apple, Google, Facebook, all the places your cousin wanted to work at after engineering. It's basically Bangalore's cooler NRI cousin. And a Desi paradise too. You will never miss home here. San Francisco has over 1 lakh Indian Americans living in the Bay Area. You'll find chai cafes, dosa food trucks, and even Bollywood dance flash mobs. Also, fun fact, before it was a tech hub, San Francisco was the birthplace of the hippie movement. I mean, let's be real, Golden Gate is not even golden. Plot twist, it's international orange. Kind of like marigold tattoos, looks sweet but totally unexpected. People here in the downtown walk a lot, and they're also very disciplined. They follow the rules, no jaywalking. They cross the road when the signal is green. And that's a discipline and the kind of culture that I personally appreciate a lot. Because it's safe and it's stress-free. You know what I mean? And no one honks here, which is so amazing. So my cousin picked me up and we are off to Yosemite. Long drive, yay! So now we are on the way to Yosemite. I'm traveling with my family. My cousin Chaitanya and Pragya.
Hi.
It's almost a 4-hour drive from San Francisco. Yosemite is very scenic, it's amazing. We are traveling at an average of 100 kilometers per hour, which is amazing. And now we are going to a viewpoint. We are taking a small halt at this viewpoint. So this is our first viewpoint. And we can see a... Is this a river or a lake? Lake. It's a lake. Pretty. Chalo. Now we are heading again towards Yosemite. अगस्त सितंबर के बाद ड्राई।
हाँ, मतलब कोई भी वाटरफॉल रहती जाती।
तो मे इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम क्योंकि अभी जो वाटरफॉल्स होंगे वो सारे पीक पे होंगे और भीड़ भी बहुत कम होगी। दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ मे। पर यार मतलब आई मीन रोड्स देखो यहाँ पे, मतलब एक गड्ढा भी कोई ढूंढ के दिखा दे।
ये तो है।
एक गड्ढा नहीं मिलेगा।
कानपुर।
Yosemite National Park is about 280 kilometers from San Francisco City, which is roughly a 4 to 5 hours of drive. Some of these roads feel like they're straight out of a Yash Raj film. All we need now is a chiffon sari and a slow-mo song. But instead of Switzerland, we're passing through California's Central Valley, one of the most fertile agricultural belts in the US. As we climb towards Yosemite, you'll literally feel your ears pop as elevation goes from sea level to over 4,000 feet. This seems to be the last town before we officially enter Yosemite National Park.
फिर आदत हो जाती है।
हाँ।
मुझे लगा रिच रिसोर्ट।
वेजिटेशन सुंदरता मतलब मानना पड़ेगी। मैंने तो फोटो भी लिया था। This is viewpoint number 2. So कैसी चल रही है हमारी यात्रा अभी तक?
Good so far.
बता रहे।
चलो अब हम चल रहे हैं अपने बाकी योसेमिटी की तरफ। एक दिन रुक के अगले दिन आएंगे। So we have reached Yosemite's entrance. This is where we will show the car. The entry fee is $35 per car, but trust me, what you get inside is totally paisa vasool. Waterfalls, granite cliffs, forests older than your family WhatsApp drama. It's all here.
Yeah.
My cousin had the pass, so we did not have to pay the entry fee.
थी तो अपने पास फिर
So this is Yosemite Guide, Yosemite Essentials, Park Map, Visitor Services, Transportation.
चलो इसको देखते हैं.
Look at those clouds. Here we go, our first tunnel. Ooh, our first official tunnel. ये हंसी वादियाँ, ये खुला आसमां. Well, मैं नहीं कहूँ तो अच्छा है, but yeah, look at the beauty. Waterfalls.
यहाँ रुक सकते हैं थोड़ा.
है अमेरिका का झरना. काफी बढ़िया फ्लो है और ये सिर्फ मई में, समर में ही ऐसा दिखता है. यहाँ पे पूरी मिस्ट भी फील हो रही है ना. ठीक है, हो गया. Look at this majestic waterfall. So that's one side, and then we have this road, and this is the other side. Look at the volume of water, it's scary. Woo! All the way to the mountains. Off we go inside and deeper into the Yosemite National Park. And in front of us we have another fall, which is called the Bridal Waterfall.
ब्राइडल व्यू.
Look at this mountain.
लेफ्ट करो.
The mountain is so pretty.
ये अपनी वो वाली है.
Yeah, the small fall. Ooh. Yes.
ये हॉस्टल हॉस्टल हॉल है.
Fall. Left था ना?
हाँ बट ये फॉल का ही पॉइंट एक्चुअली.
अच्छा.
एक और पॉइंट है, वहाँ चलते हैं. ये पहले यहाँ चले.
This is El Capitan, a 3,000-foot granite monolith. This is the most iconic rock of Yosemite. If you Google search Yosemite, this exact rock is what you're gonna see in the Google search results. And I mean, look at it. It looks majestic, so beautiful. So we have parked our car, and this is the view. Wow. This is the view which, if you search for Yosemite, you will see this view. Right, here we go. Bye bye, viewpoint. That Chotu waterfall also looks very good in the pictures.
कौन सी थी?
वो इस साइड में है ना?
That's
ब्राइडल वेल. ओके, तो हम वहीं जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. उसको देखने के लिए रुकना है क्या? अच्छा.
पास से.
Next stop is Bridal Veil Waterfall, which you can see on the screen right now, and we are going to go close to that. Now we are at the Bridal Fall, Bridal Veil Waterfall. बनाते बनाते we can't switch the camera.
true.
हाँ.
कैसे लग रहे हैं व्यूज?
बहुत ही सुंदर. So behind us is the bottom of the fall. There's a lot of water right now. Look at this. Is it it just me or it just reminds of Indian waterfalls? It's almost like a rainfall. There's so much mist right now here. Super misty. So this is a final look at the Bridal Veil waterfall, and we are on our way out. Bye bye. Chalo, let's go. Surprisingly, Yosemite is also a popular spot for Desi families. You'll spot people eating aloo parathas near the glacier point, or there's always one uncle in sandals trying to hike in a kurta. Legends. And this where we are entering is called Curry Village Camp Curry, or Camp Curry. And we are ordering yummy pizzas
American
here.
pizzas.
Yum, look at the size of these pizzas. Truly American. Love it. It started getting dark, so we headed back, and on the way back we saw some deers on the way, and we stayed the night in a motel. And this is the next morning. Such a bright, beautiful, sunny morning. Good morning. Hey YouTube family. Hey guys, so this is the next morning. We stayed in Yosemite in this beautiful motel. It's a very cute one. It's called, what is it called? It's called Yosemite Westgate Lodge. It's a cute one. It had twin beds, so the three of us were in the same room. And I have gotten ready the first. I've taken a shower and now I'm just enjoying the morning sun. It's early morning, it's around 8 AM and the sun is out, it's cold, it's sunny, it's beautiful. Yeah, so today we will just roam around the rest of the viewpoints in Yosemite, maybe do some small hiking trails, and then we will head back to San Francisco around 1:32 PM. So looking forward to the rest of the day, and I will show you what all we do. Bye. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We saw more waterfalls, more viewpoints, and then headed back to San Francisco. It was a lovely, refreshing experience. Loved it. This is the Yosemite Fall, which is the tallest fall in North America. Look at the size. So it has been a week since I have been here in San Francisco. बहुत मज़ा आया. Yosemite में बहुत मज़े करे. सिटी में मैंने बहुत घूमा, और जो कॉन्फ्रेंस जिसके लिए मैं आया था वो भी बहुत बढ़िया रही. काफ़ी सीखने को मिला. All that was good. So I am going to check out from the hotel today. And आज मैं जाने वाला हूँ साउथ बे अपने कज़िन के यहाँ जहाँ पे वो रहता है. And I will stay there for 2 days and fly back to India on Sunday. तो या माई जर्नी इन सैन फ्रांसिस्को इज़ ऑलमोस्ट कमिंग टू एन एंड. आपको ये मेरे जो एडवेंचर्स हैं सैन फ्रांसिस्को के कैसे लगे वो मुझे ज़रूर बताइए, और मैं आपसे मिलूँगा अपने अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय.